Welcome back. Well, another warm one across the area today, a breezy one as well. Expect more of the same tomorrow. A few spotty showers out there. Better rain chances. We're cautiously optimistic on the way for Thursday into Friday. So let's take a look at the big picture as we look at the water vapor imagery here. And we're under the influence of high pressure aloft. That high pressure system pretty much anchored where it's been for quite a while, but it's going to push a little bit farther to the east as this upper level trough will eventually move farther south and east and give some areas a real good soaking, maybe just to our north and west, but hopefully we get in on some of that rainfall action. At the surface, you can see high pressure pretty much dominating over the eastern part of the U.S. Low pressure cranking up in the plains. Severe weather threat going to develop tomorrow up across portions of the Midwest. Meanwhile, snow at elevation back across the Rockies, but all that major weather action pretty much staying to the north of us, at least for now. We are spying on a few showers along the Texas coast and offshore the southwestern Louisiana coastline. This activity mainly moving from the southeast to the northwest, and a few spotty showers inland across Acadiana as we take a look at Power Doppler 3. Just got done doing some fine tuning of the radar. Always got to keep these radars maintained, so we do that here at KATC as well. Seeing an isolated shower west of Mamou, another one by the Chautauqua area, and a shower earlier by Turkey Creek moving on out. Farther south and east we go. Most of the shower activity on the other side of the Atchafalaya Basin at this hour, out over toward the river parishes in southeast Louisiana and south of the Crescent City. So here's the big picture as we open it on up. Only area of concern as we get into the tropics is this area, as highlighted by the National Hurricane Center. About a 40% chance of development here. However, it's going to take probably more like 5 or 6 days for something to develop. We'll show you this on the European model here. There's that low pressure system, perhaps eventually broad. But notice we have this moisture conduit coming up in the northern Gulf of Mexico. This sticks around for a couple of days, so hopefully some rain. And then some sort of low pressure system could develop. This is a week from today. You venture into the 10-day forecast. I really don't like to do that, but it shows something by the Yucatan. But look at this, also showing a front here come Friday morning, a week from this Friday. So maybe that'll be a nice front down the line. Near term, warm and humid, lower 70s tonight. Few spotty showers tomorrow, more clouds tomorrow as well. So rain chance 10-20%. Might have to boost that up for the 10 o'clock show tonight. Then Thursday's kind of the day where we expect a good chance of showers and storms as we head toward trick-or-treat time. But notice the model runs out of gas on the rain chances, so we'll see how it plays out. As for rainfall, really a tough call. Some spots may catch a couple of inches of rain to our north and west, maybe in southwest Louisiana. Many spots may not catch much rain, but we'll take anything at this point. Hopefully we have better rain projections coming to you in subsequent updates. 71 the overnight low tonight. So it's going to be a mild one tomorrow, back into the mid to upper 80s with a mixture of clouds and sun. So we'll call it partly to mostly cloudy. Slight chance of a shower at 10-20%, but up to 60-70% for Thursday, Friday. Doesn't mean it's going to rain all day or we're going to get a lot of rain, but we will have some showers finally. Then this weekend, a mixed bag as temperatures stay in the 80s for the better part of the next week plus. That's it for weather for now. We'll have more coming up a little bit later on.